Hey Margo, say bye daddy. What you got? Whoa. Today I'm off to go look at a 5-plex that I'm gonna be putting on the market for a client. Also, I'll show you guys my 29 units, and if there's time, I will be walking through a flip that one of my clients has in the same area, and we'll see what else we get up to. Okay, first stop of the day is this 5-plex here, and it's gonna be assumable mortgage or a VTB, and probably a purchase price of 1.6 million. Let's check it out. All right. I've been here when it was a crack house. There was like literally
much different.
Zombies. Okay, big real estate day. That was the 5-plex there. I'm gonna go check out a flip right now as well. Let's go see it. When you're in the investment property world, you get listings because people know that you're involved with tenants all the time. Some bad tenants here not paying, and then a bit of a water damage issue. So the place needed a bit of a renovation, and it will be hitting the market. I'm gonna go check it out. It's these Ontario tenants causing issues, but it sounds like the courts are gonna be moving much faster. So this one's just under reno. See here, it'll be a nice little single family home for somebody. And yeah, it's the good part about the business, selling investment properties. I get it all nice and cleaned and perfect. I love these. So just down the street, Foundation Capital had bought 29 units 2 years ago for 2.675. We put about $1.5 million worth of renovations in, and the appraisal came out at 7.24. $7 million place after putting in the $1.5 million renovations. That's just the power of real estate. You get things like this in single family homes where tenants cause a bad day for landlords, but you can see they're gonna be able to turn that one around. It's gonna make money. 29 units that we had for Foundation Capital, and we're thinking of moving that over to our fund. We just launched a private REIT, so if you guys are interested in earning cash flow and appreciation, there is the private REIT right now. I'll put the link in the description because we're thinking of moving those 29 units over to the fund to make you guys money in the returns as well there. So that's what we do. We buy places that need work and turn them around. That's the name of the game. And then investors get their steady returns, okay? So real estate is nice and safe. I'm not selling Bitcoin, nothing like that. Just boring old real estate. Renovate it, put a tenant in, call it a day, let the appreciation carry on, and let's go. I'm gonna drive over there right now and go check out. I have had that on the channel many times before, and now we're gonna just go see it again. Okay, here are the money makers. The other side of those trees. It's a 13 and a 16 unit building, and we renovated pretty much everything in there, everything we could. Ah, these trees. Let's go over here. Yeah, now worth 7.2. Crazy. Nobody else wanted it or could make the offer the way that we did when we bought it. It came in firm, got the deal. Everybody else had crazy conditions. We're calculated cowboys. That's who we are. And there we go. Best part too, there is a city lot in between here. And if we wanted to sell one, I could. Okay, so that's that, but there's I have a 12-plex in a different city, and it's not too far, and maybe let's go ambush the contractors there and let's see what they're doing today. Hopefully they're working, not having a smoke break. Let's go check it out. Okay, made it. I forgot how much hustle and bustle just to drive around to all these places. Definitely can make you feel busy, but you're actually doing work. Normally, as a real estate investor, you can just sit at home and task everything out from your phone, and that's the preferred method, not driving everywhere. So a lot of the stuff I put on Instagram is from my managers, but today I'm in the field, so let's go see this 12-plex. So this one's now worth around 2.2 on our last appraisal, possibly a little bit more now. I think we purchased for 1.6, 1.7. Hey, how's it going? Which one are you guys in?
Up there, unit 3.
3?
No, floor number 3, sorry.
So this one? Up, up, up. Okay. I keep asking Dean for videos.
I think it's some, it doesn't have the Wi-Fi.
Oh.
I'm not sure. All the way to the
303?
no, all the way to the right.
All the way there, yeah. Alrighty. This one's coming along. Oh, we're getting the doors painted. Love that. You can see here we got, instead of tile, or like subway tile, put the countertop kind of same design right here. Mostly just to save time. They're already here cutting or getting it, and they can just put that up. To each his own, different ways. Sometimes we do subway tile, sometimes we do that. Whatever's faster, so we can get our rent. You can see here, we went with bigger slabs rather than the little ones, just because I think you can get these in big pieces and you can just kind of like put them on, boom, 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 rather than like having a guy do individual little subway tiles there. So again, yeah, multiple strategies. Everybody can do things a little bit differently. Yeah, this one's in Foundation Capital's portfolio. We haven't, I'm gonna get so dirty, moved it over to the fund yet. I don't know if we will, we might, but stick around and you will see. Oh, I love that. Just spray it all, make it look good. These guys are good. Yeah, so a unit like this will probably rent for $1,800 in Canada. I'm gonna put the in-suite laundry in, that's a must. That's a Jeff Weibo must, you have to always do that. And you have to always have a dishwasher. That's a Jeff Weibo must too. Everything else, well, internet's nice if we can give it to them. But sometimes it has to fluctuate based on the market. If we're getting $1,800 without internet, then of course we don't need to do that. So you gotta kind of listen to the market and see what you need to do. For a while during the pandemic, we were furnishing all our units because people were moving to different cities and they needed a furnished unit, and that was getting us top dollar. Now we don't even need to furnish as much anymore. People just want their rental property. They just want their unit and they want to move into it, and that's it. They don't really need the furnishing. So then we're like, okay, well that saves us the money there and we don't need to do it anymore. Once the building's about 50% turned over, then it's a lot easier to then do the hallways. So we'll probably be getting pretty close, I guess we do have internet, to doing the hallways soon. The paint job looks nice, but we could update it, do some different lighting, some pictures, that'd be good too. 304. So there you have it. That's the end of the tour. This one here is a 12-plex. That's about a $10 million property tour today. First one was about 1.6 million. It's gonna be hitting the market. Then I went and saw the house, probably about 300 to 350. Saw my 29 units, got put in at 7.2 million. And this one's about 2.2 million. So it should put us over $10 million worth of real estate today. I'm going home, having lunch. If you guys want more information about Foundation Capital, make sure you reach out to me on Instagram and you can see how you can be part of the action too. You can get cash flow and appreciation. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on my next video. Bye.